Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the auto adjust from your edits in CapCut. So if you guys are using a free CapCut version, you cannot use the auto adjust feature because it is only for the pro users. So if you accidentally use the auto adjust, you cannot export the video. You cannot export your edit unless you pay for the CapCut Pro. You can see now I need to join the CapCut Pro to unlock the auto adjust. So here I'm going to show you how you can remove the auto adjust. So just click on the adjust in here, the auto adjust. Click on adjust at the bottom. You can see the auto adjust is enabled on my edit, and here there are two options that you can do to remove it. You can just click on reset at the bottom, click on confirm, and the auto adjust will be removed. Or the second option, here you can just click on this adjustment and click on delete like this, and you can see the pro label at the top will be disappear when you remove the auto adjust. So you can export the video now. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Thank you.